who claimed the truth, he didn't know which way he was to go. He read a verse, he said a prayer, the Father and the Son were there with a message for the world. Oh, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. They cast them in a prison cell, the people that they loved so well, but still they carried on through all the pain. They held their faith in God above, they never ceased to share His love, and all their days they praised Him. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You tried to live a righteous life, your people only wanted strife. You led them on and on until the end. And after all was said and done, you passed the record to your Son, and now the world rejoices. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You left your home not knowing when or if you would return again. You knew that God was asking this of you. You traveled on, your strength was through. You knew just what you had to do. With faith you must press on. Oh, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You know the words, you've heard the call. The Lord needs you to give your all. This is what you were always meant to do. You must stand strong, there's work to do. The message must continue through, so all the world can sing out hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.